This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup for weight loss. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, low-calorie options. This delicious soup can be a fantastic addition to your diet, helping you feel full and satisfied without excess calories. We'll use simple steps to create a nourishing meal that supports your health journey. Get ready to enjoy a tasty and beneficial dish. Let's get cooking. Begin by gently sautéing your fresh mushrooms in a non-stick pan until they soften. Next, pour in 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Allow it to cook for about 15 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors meld together. This simple process ensures a quick and healthy meal. To elevate your soup, add fresh herbs such as parsley or thyme during the last few minutes of simmering. A pinch of black pepper will also beautifully enhance the earthy mushroom flavor. For an extra nutritional boost, stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh spinach right before serving. These small additions make a big difference in taste and health benefits. This mushroom soup is perfect as a light yet filling meal. To maximize your weight loss efforts, consider it a meal replacement. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking at least 2 liters of water throughout your day. For a more balanced approach, you can pair your soup with a small portion of lean protein. Enjoy your journey to a healthier you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.